gonna do with a Rubik's Cube here today. So who wants to mix it up for me? Anyone?
Oh, this guy right
here. And while you're mixing it up, I'm just gonna tell you about the world record. So the world record for single solve of the Rubik's Cube is about 4.9 seconds. And that was for single solve, but the average is held by a about 20-year-old in Australia of about 6.54. So are you done? You can pass it on to someone else and they can mix it up as well. You're all done, you can hand it back. Alright. So I'm going to try to solve it myself, and all of you guys can count it for me. Count out. Right, well, I'll tell you when. Ready, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Practicing all day, so I'm gonna try to do it a bit faster and with magic. Okay, so I'm gonna mix it up here. Okay, sorry. All right, I'm gonna mix it up to about 20 moves. Okay, now I'm gonna take the bag here, put the cube in the bag, and everyone can see it's still mixed up. I haven't done anything weird. Now watch. If I just take the cube out of the bag, completely solid. In the bag, but it was in the bag. You guys want to see it, right? So I'm just gonna mix it up again. Mix it up again to about 20 moves or more. All right. Just toss. Completely solved. Wow. Tossing it up won't actually solve it, so I'm just gonna mix it up here. A cube is actually solved in steps. So I'm gonna solve it here. That's about 20 moves. What did you say? Alright, so I'm going to mix it. I'm going to try to solve it to about 10 moves, 5 moves, 1 move, and finally 1 move away. Wow. For my last one, I'm going to end my routine here. I'm just going to mix the cube up. Okay, watch. 1 second.